it's me, Taylor. I just got this spring box from Kidbox, and I'd like to say thank you to Kidbox for keeping me in style. Let's see what's inside. There's a temporary tattoos because I am only 8 years old. Anyway. First bag. I didn't break that. I love these. I think they're called rompers. I got one like a few years ago and I never got to wear it because my mom said it was for summer, but this is really nice. These are some nice pants. And a sweater. The best time to wear a striped sweater. Well, it's not striped. It's all the time. That's also nice. Second box. I don't think that wants to close. This is like really, really nice. Thank you. And some pants to go with the shirt. This is also nice. And a jacket. Wow. And that is it for the Kidbox Spring Collection.